Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, my name is Ahmed. I live in WA, in Perth here. I'm come to Australia here in 2004. Happy to come here. After that, I want to find a new job in Perth. I want to work in mechanic because this mechanic, I love it. I love it, my job.
From the first moment I sat with him, I could see that this is a guy, he's focused on what he wants. He was very persistent about the fact that he wants to be a mechanic. So I picked the list of mechanic jobs, and that's when I came across Kingsley Auto Care. And I spoke to the employer, his name is Dave. So I called Dave and I said, listen, I think I have the right person for you if you are still looking for a mechanic. He goes, when can he come in? I said, when do you want him to be in? He goes, today? I said, definitely today. I gave him a few tips about how to go. Wear your uniform, be job ready to show the employer that you're job ready, your safety boots, walk in there with that kind of attitude like, I'm even more than happy to give you a couple of hours of work trial just to see what I'm capable of doing.
My business is an automotive service centre. I originally put an ad for a mechanic and atWork picked it up, met Agali when he came to see us. I was a little apprehensive. I sensed there was something special about him. I thought he had more than he was actually offering. I did quite a bit of checking on him in other states there he'd worked, and everyone gave him quite a good rapport, so that's how Agali became employed here. What can I say about his performance? Ahmed tries to beat me here in the morning, and I've always prided myself on being the first person here. But I told him at 6:30 is the limit. I'm not going to be here any earlier, you know. So, and so yeah, he's good company to have around, you know. He loves a laugh, and as I said, I guess he's very knowledgeable in what he does too.
When we come start work, I feel now becoming better and better. I feel really so good. I'm starting new life in WA. I love it, really, I love it.
And as you can see today, really, I can't describe when I saw him first and when I see him right now. Huge transformation. I'm so happy for him, and that he managed, to get to that stage.
Wow, I feel like I win paradise, really, because coming here zero, just I'm looking for work. I need work. When we find this job, absolutely, I'm very happy, very happy. I feel like I want to fly. Thank you. Armstrong.
There you go.